Hey everyone, what's up? It's Jason here and welcome back to Financial Growth TV. Now let me tell you, the world's changing faster than ever, right? Like remember when we thought self-driving cars were a distant dream? Now, they're practically here. But here's the thing, it's not just about cool tech. This rapid evolution, especially with artificial intelligence, or AI as we like to call it, is creating huge opportunities to grow your wealth. We're talking life-changing money here, people. So today we're diving deep, and I mean deep, into how you can ride this AI wave all the way to financial freedom in 2024. That's right, I'm going to give you the practical tips, the proven strategies, the inside scoop on how to use AI to make your money work harder than ever before. You don't want to miss this. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your finances with AI. Alright guys, let's kick things off with the big one, investing. Investing is crucial for building long-term wealth, but it can be intimidating. But here's where AI swoops in to save the day. We're talking about AI-powered investment platforms. These use sophisticated algorithms, like having a team of Wall Street geniuses working for you. Platforms like insert popular AI investment platform name have been crushing it with high returns. Many of these platforms are becoming affordable, some even offering fractional shares. In 2024, leveraging AI isn't just for Wall Street. It's for everyone serious about building wealth. Now look, I get it. Not everyone's trying to be the next Warren Buffett. Some of you are thinking, Jason, I just want a side hustle, a way to make some extra cash. And you know what? That's awesome. And guess what? AI's got you covered there too. The freelance market is exploding right now, and AI skills are in higher demand than ever before. We're talking about things like data annotation, where you train AI to understand images and text, or chatbot development, essentially teaching machines how to talk to humans. Sounds complicated? It's not as bad as you think. There are tons of online courses and resources that can get you up to speed in no time. And the best part, platforms like insert popular AI freelancing platform name connect skilled freelancers like you with clients from all over the world who are willing to pay top dollar for your AI expertise. Chapter 3. AI-powered personal finance. Budgeting on autopilot. How many of you actually enjoy budgeting? Yeah, that's what I thought. AI can take the pain out of managing your money. These apps analyze your spending, track investments, and give personalized recommendations. It's like having a little voice of reason in your pocket. Ditch the spreadsheets and embrace AI. Chapter 4. AI-enhanced e-commerce selling stuff online. Just got easier and more profitable. Now, for all you entrepreneurs out there, listen up. If you're not using AI in your e-commerce business, you're missing out big time. AI is changing the game when it comes to selling online, and I'm not just talking about those creepy targeted ads you see everywhere, although those are powered by AI too. We're talking about using AI to personalize your marketing efforts, recommend products that your customers actually want to buy, and provide top-notch customer service without lifting a finger. AI can analyze massive amounts of data about your customers' preferences, their browsing history, their purchase behavior, and then use that information to create hyper-targeted campaigns that convert like crazy. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to implement these strategies. There are tons of user-friendly AI tools and platforms available that can integrate seamlessly with your existing e-commerce store. Chapter 5. AI-driven entrepreneurship. Ride the AI wave to startup success. Finally, let's talk about the big leagues, starting your own AI-powered business. Now, I know what you're thinking, Jason, that's crazy talk. I'm not a tech genius. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a coding whiz to build a successful AI company. What you need is a killer idea, a solid business plan, and the willingness to learn and adapt. And trust me, the opportunities in the AI space are absolutely mind-blowing. We're talking about everything from healthcare to finance to transportation being revolutionized by AI. And the best part? Investors are pouring billions of dollars into AI startups, so if you've got a game-changing idea, the funding is out there. So there you have it. As you can see, AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's now, and it's packed with opportunities to grow your wealth. Whether you're looking to automate your investments, supercharge your side hustle, or even launch your own AI-powered empire, the possibilities are truly limitless. But remember, the key is to take action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Do your own research, explore the tools and platforms I mentioned, and start putting these strategies into practice today. If you found these strategies helpful, comment below on which number of strategy you'd like to learn more about. Your feedback will help me create more content tailored to your interests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.